ensure your safety. Please remain seated and keep your arms and legs in at all times.
Here we go, on the front row of Rampage. Awesome views from up here at the top of the second lift. And here we go. Similar to Zierer Tivoli, you really get pushed into the drop. Way! Round for number 2. Big drop, isn't it? You really get some force as you pushed into the bottom here. Woo! Now normally you only get 2 laps on here, but I was just chatting with the operator who's a big fan of the channel. And I think he might be sending it for a 3rd lap. We'll see. Woohoo! Air timing. Hey, thank you. 3 laps. Special treat for you here on Theme Park Worldwide. Love it. Big shout out to the yacht. I can just keep sending it. Woo! Hey! Makes it over a 3-minute ride when you have 3 laps. Hey! Woo! There we go. Back into the station. Rampage.
Keep your arms in, and the train will move further forward and park. Once the gate
Love the announcement
closed,
there about the train
please
parking.
raise your arms whilst we release the lap bars. Thank you.